Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at kind of a cool knife that I ran across and I figured I would share with y'all. And what this is this is an NRA branded Swiss Army knife. And it's one of the smaller 84mm ones. And I figured we could take a look at it. So, let me get this out of the box. If I can get it out of the box. Alright. So, here we go. It has the, what I'm assuming is the NRA logo on it. And on the back, you've got Second Amendment Task Force, which is kind of interesting. Now, the knife itself, it doesn't have any scale tools. And it's got the combi tool, like you probably have commonly seen on the compact. And you have the knife blade. Now this is an 84mm one. Yeah, it's an 84mm one, just to check. And it's basically a Bantam. And if you want for comparison, this is a Bantam. The only difference being no scale tools on, actually no scale tools and no keyring on this one. It's kind of interesting. Huh. That's sort of weird. I was pretty sure when I was looking at this that this actually is a Bantam. I'll include a link in the description for the Swiss Army Knife wiki page for this, and I'll include a link to the current Bantam so y'all can compare. Until just now I didn't notice there was no keyring on this one. I wonder. Yeah, this one has a combi tool as well. And a knife blade. That's kind of interesting. I'm guessing this is an older and probably advertising model. I need to check. I wonder if this is a standard. I don't think it is. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to look. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. You think this is just an older Bantam with no scale tools? Or is it specifically an advertising model? Anyway, I thought it was kind of cool that there was an NRA branded Swiss Army knife floating around out there. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, let me know what you think. Oh, also, I don't know if y'all noticed this or not, but the NRA is facing up, and the scale with the shield is on the back. Anyway, just one of the random things I noticed. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or any ideas exactly the model of this, I'm like, I don't know, I'll have to do some more research and see. Pretty sure it's a Bantam, but I'm not positive. So anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.